Here we are at example 4 from our 5.2 set of notes. We're asked using a calculator sketch the following graph. And just going ahead and pulling up Desmos, that would be example 3, so let's get rid of him. We have negative x to the 5th. So negative x raised to the 5th power plus x minus 3. So we actually end up seeing an image that does something like this. And so we'll just draw a quick rough sketch of that on our notes. So we notice that it kind of just came down, came back up a little bit, and then went back down. So more or less that is what our image looked like. Now for our degree here, we see that it is 5. The highest exponent here is 5. Our leading coefficient is -1, so it is negative. For C, the right-sided behavior, in other words, as we go outwards to the right for x, we see that it is falling down. So that would be false. And as x decreases, in other words, as we go to the left side, we see that our y values are going upward, so it's rising. Now, at this point, some of you guys might actually be kind of identifying some of those patterns, and if you are, feel free to just kind of move on. You don't have to watch every single video. Just feel really confident. I'm still going to put them up just in case you need them. But I think at this point, maybe some of you guys can just already recognize some of these patterns. I'll give you a hint. It has to do with, again, the degree and leading coefficient, kind of like what we were mentioning in example 1, just how important those are. How even ones, you're going to get that U shape, and if they're odd for the degree, you're going to kind of see this, what we call an S shape. And then the negative or positive also plays a role. This depends on if it's in there or not. So just kind of keep that in mind. But if you want to not have to watch, examples 5 through 8, they're going to be very, very similar to examples 1 through 4. So if you can recognize those patterns, feel free. If not, though, make sure you watch the videos.